Okay, so I decided to 3D print Montage dock. Some of you already commented, thank you. So we have side by side Sydney Trackmaster compared to that engine. I need to remove all the supports. So this is how it looks. This tank. Probably I'm gonna be missing some parts. It could be. This will not be motorized. It's just as a display. But look at the size of this thing. As a display only. I need to remove all the supports. Look at the wheel size. It's looking good. I need to take my time and see how this thing is going to come out. Something like that. But I'm still missing the coil bunker, the coil for that area. I need to do something about that. And the handlebar, or whatever you call these things, well, little details here and there. But yeah, definitely. Oh, here are the I think call it buffers, and I'm printing other little parts right now. Yeah, it will look good. It's just for display purposes.